Hey, what's up? I'm Will. This is my blanket. So, yeah. Let me show you my house. It's my dog. She's weird. It's my blanket. Let's go. Come on, man. Follow me. That's how I clean the floor. I love this thing. It saved my life. A blankie. I'm stuck. Help. Yep. Okay, let's go over here. Over here would be my room. It's the best room in the house. You can't go in there. The table. Moving on. Let's go this way. Man, come on. Let's go to the kitchen. Okay? Yeah, these are some nice door frames. Did it myself. Yeah, they're pretty nice. They're white. Yeah, what? Dude, look. Whoa, nice camera. Can I touch it, man? Whoa. Right. Yeah, that's the cleaning lady. How you doing? Okay. This is a vacuum. It's a nice vacuum. And moving on. It's outside. I'll show you in a second. Counters with some fruit. And there's a cabinet. And there's a countertop again. And I like to play with knives. Let's go outside. Oh no. I can't. Help me. Help me out. Oh, I can't get out the door. Man, that's not cool. Help me. Help me out. Okay, well, I was gonna show you my backyard, but, come on. Cleaning lady, cameraman, help me out here. Okay, I can get this. I got this. Forget it. Let's go back this way. Show you some other random stuff. Garbage. Not much to see here. So, this is my cat. Yeah, show me my cat. This is my cat. He's so fluffy. Tiger. Yeah, he's a tiger. Isn't he cute? Okay, boy. Alright, I gotta go. Let's go. Lady, get out of here. Go. I'll follow you. Let's go. Follow the dog. Yeah, let me pick my blankie. Real quick. Okay? My chairs, they're pretty nice. Oh, my mom's home. My mom's home. Okay, Mom, can you make me a sandwich? I'm hungry. Make me a sandwich.